Tulsa police say during an active shooting situation, a fast response is what helps save lives. Officers say during this week's shooting, they use a special tool to help them get through closed and locked doors. News on 6's Jordan Tidwell continues our live team coverage and shows us how it works. Jordan?
Brian, Tulsa police say it's called the Jersey Claw. It's a lightweight claw-type hammer that helps officers get through locked doors instead of waiting for a specialty unit that can get through. They say they use it all the time for well-being checks, ordering search warrants. But Wednesday's tragedy is the most significant time they've had to use it.
We have not cleared the second floor. I need breaching tools to the second floor.
Those minutes are precious. If you've ever watched one of the active shooter events around the country, and you know that that delaying, not going in, just turns out so tragic in the end.
Tulsa Police Lieutenant Jason Muse says when officers respond to situations like Wednesday's mass shooting, they want to make sure they have everything they need to help people who are in the worst moments of their lives.
They are literally walking into the unknown and the unknowable. They just a police officer has no idea what they're walking into.
Muse says on Wednesday they used the Jersey Claw to break off locks and pry open doors in just minutes to make sure there wasn't a threat and to make sure it was safe for other first responders to get inside and help.
And so it's that gap that we're trying to bridge and cover between when the first officers arrive and when we can get in the fire department for life-saving medical care, for forcible entry to rescue people.
Muse says this is a critical life-saving tool. While the department has at least 75, his hope is that every single officer or deputy in the state will eventually have one.
Last thing we ever want to hear in our job is, I'm sorry, I couldn't get in to save you because I couldn't get in to help and because I didn't have the right piece of equipment, whatever that may be.
The creator of the tool is in New Jersey. He says the Tulsa Police Department was one of the earliest departments to get it, ensuring they have the right tools for situations like this. He says hundreds of agencies across the country now have this tool, and it saved hundreds of lives. Jordan Tidwell, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.